Hello, and welcome to your daily AI news update. I'm Isabella Yuha, and today is Thursday, October 16, 2025. Let's dive into some of the most important happenings in the world of artificial intelligence. First up, OpenAI recently shared a report detailing how it's working to stop bad actors from using its AI tools for harmful purposes. This means OpenAI is actively disrupting groups, including those linked to nations and criminals, who try to create malicious code or engage in other negative activities using their AI models. This is important because it shows the ongoing effort to keep AI safe and prevent it from being used to create new threats online. Next, Anthropic has launched a new version of its smallest AI model called Claude Haiku 4.5. This new model is designed to be highly efficient, offering performance similar to its larger Claude Sonnet 4 model, but at about one-third of the cost and more than twice the speed. For everyday users and businesses, this means AI technology is becoming faster and more affordable, making it easier for more people to use powerful AI tools in their daily tasks. Moving to Microsoft, the company has announced significant new AI features for Windows 11, including a voice command option for its AI assistant, Copilot. These updates are meant to make interacting with your computer more natural, moving beyond just typing and clicking. This matters to you because it could make your computer much easier and more intuitive to use, allowing you to get things done simply by talking to it. In a groundbreaking development, Google's AI research arm, DeepMind, along with scientists from Yale University, has discovered a promising new way to approach cancer therapy. Their AI model, Gemma, actually came up with a new idea about how certain cancer cells behave, which was then successfully tested by researchers. This is a huge step forward, showing that AI can now help generate original scientific ideas, potentially speeding up breakthroughs in critical areas like medicine. Finally, OpenAI is partnering with Broadcom to develop its own custom AI chips. This collaboration aims to design and deploy special chips that will power OpenAI's infrastructure, with deployments expected to start in the second half of 2026. This is crucial because OpenAI is investing heavily in the core technology that makes AI possible, which could lead to even more powerful and efficient AI systems in the future. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Isabella Yuha, helping people feel confident with new technology.